this is how you can sign up to Perplexity and start using this service to do some research. Now, what you need to do is that you have to open Google or basically any search engine and then search for Perplexity AI. And usually it's going to appear at the very top. It's called perplexity.ai. Open it. And then this is the landing page. This is the home page on Perplexity. And you can click sign up to start creating an account for yourself. And there are multiple ways to sign up. You can use your Google account, Apple account, and also you can use your own email. Now I'm going to be using a disposable email for this tutorial. So I'm going to use this email and just paste your email right here and then click continue with email. And just wait until it finishes. It's going to authenticate your account. So if you go to your email again, and you will see that you will get a message from Perplexity. You can either click on the link, the sign in link, or you can also use this code that you can copy and then you can paste on Perplexity via this enter code manually button. It's the same thing. You can click the link or you can also use the code. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to enter the code and just paste. It will be processed automatically, and there you go. So this is very simple. This is just the onboarding process on Perplexity. And we can just click continue, then just click continue again after this. Okay, it's taking so long. Okay, so it will offer you to use the Pro subscription, but it is completely optional. You can use the free version, which grants you 3 Pro searches a day, which I think probably good enough for some people. And you can click skip if you don't want to go with Pro. And it's just, you know, some introduction to the mobile version of Perplexity. You can log in with the same email address. And yeah, this is another onboarding process. You can start asking a question, you can skip, or you can also just pick a question, but I'm going to skip this process. And there you go. So this is your Perplexity account. As you can see, I'm using the free version of Perplexity. You can start searching, you can select the language that you prefer, and of course you can enable some features like the web search, academic search, social, etc. Now I want to try something like I want to try using this keyword. So it's going to be searching the internet. It's going to be using the AI model that you choose to give you the answer. I'm using the reasoning model, which is DeepSeek R1. There are many other models that you can use. I actually have explained that on my previous video on how you can select the default AI model on Perplexity, but that's basically it. And yeah, that's essentially how you can sign up and start using Perplexity. And if you want to learn more about Perplexity, I actually have made a tutorial video, a bunch of tutorial videos on how you can access certain features and Perplexity. So there you go. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.